Welcome or welcome back, champions. In the last video, we did three parts of question number third. Now we are going to solve further parts. Our fourth part is the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with a charge for a distance covered. So हमारा क्वेश्चन कह रहा है एक सिटी में एक टैक्सी ड्राइवर है जो कुछ फिक्स चार्ज लेते हैं और कुछ चार्ज लेते हैं किलोमीटर के हिसाब से. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105 and for a journey of 15 km, charge paid is 155. तो अभी तक क्या समझ आया? There are two charges. So let fixed charge be X and charge per kilometer be Y. So first condition क्या है? डिस्टेंस कितना कवर किया है? 10 किलोमीटर. तो इक्वेशन बनाते हैं. फिक्स चार्ज तो लगेगा ही लगेगा, दैट इज एक्स प्लस पर किलोमीटर y है, कितने किलोमीटर जा रहा है? 10. सो 10 इंटू वाई इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 105. सेम वे में सेकेंड इक्वेशन बना रहे हैं. देन दे आर सेइंग फॉर अ जर्नी ऑफ 15 किलोमीटर द चार्ज पेड इज रुपीज 155. सो x प्लस 15y is equals to rupees 155. So we got our two equations. Question कह रहा है what are the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer, that is we need to find the value of x and y first. Then they are saying how much does a person have to pay for traveling distance of 25 kilometer. फिर एक इक्वेशन बनेगी फिक्स्ड चार्ज x traveling 25 km into y. इसकी वैल्यू हमें फाइंड करनी है, बट बिफोर दैट वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y. सो लेट्स बिगिन. तो फ्रॉम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन x की वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं. x इज इक्वल्स टू 105 माइनस ये 10y उधर जाएगा, इधर प्लस में उधर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस 10y. अब इस x की वैल्यू को हम सेकेंड इक्वेशन में रखते हैं. 105 माइनस 10y then plus 15y is equals to rupees 155. Now we'll transfer this 105. So 155 minus 105. Now 10 and 15 we'll solve them. Plus minus minus 15 minus 10 gives us 5. So 5y plus का आएगा because 15 बड़ा और उसका sign plus का. Now 5y is equals to 155 minus 105. 5 minus 5 0. 5 minus 0, 550. Now this 5 is in multiplication, it will go in division. So y is equals to 50 divided by 5, that is 10. So value of y is 10. Now we'll put the value of y here and calculate the value of x. So 105 minus 10 into 10, 5 minus 100 gives us 5. So value of x is 5 and value of y is 10. So we got the value of fixed charge and the charges per kilometer. Now we'll find the value of this given equation. The equation is x plus 25y. So in place of x we'll write 5 plus 25 into, in place of y we'll write 10. So 5 plus 25 tens are 250. So 255 is the required answer. So the person has to pay rupees 255 for traveling 25 km. I hope this is clear. Now let's solve its next part. So our next part is a fraction becomes 9 upon 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So in this question we have a fraction. तो फ्रैक्शन में दो पार्ट्स होते हैं, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. सो लेट न्यूमरेटर बी x and denominator be y. So according to first condition, if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, so this is a fraction. 2 is added to numerator and 2 is added to denominator. They are saying fraction becomes 9 upon 11. So ये है फर्स्ट कंडीशन. अब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 11x plus 11 to the 22 is equals to 9y plus 9 to the 18. We just multiply it. Okay. Now 11x is equals to 9y plus 18 minus 22. x की वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं दूसरे इक्वेशन में पुट करने के लिए. So 11x is equals to 9y. 22 minus 18 gives us 4. 22 बड़ा है, इसका साइन माइनस का, सो माइनस. So x is equals to 9y minus 4 upon 11. So this is the value of x. Now let's first make second equation, then we'll put the value. Then they're saying if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. So this is a fraction. 3 is added to numerator, 3 is added to denominator. They're saying our fraction becomes 5 upon 6. Now again we'll do cross multiply. So 6 into x, 6 plus 6 3s are 18 is equals to 5 into y, 5 plus 5 3s are 15. So 6 is equals to 5y plus 15 minus 18. 6x minus 5y is equals to minus 3. I've transferred this 5y here and 15 minus 18 gives us 3. 18 is greater, so minus 3. Now this is the second equation, and in this equation we'll put the value of x. So 6 into, in place of x we'll write 9y minus 4 upon 11 minus 5y is equals to minus 3. Now we'll open the bracket. Bracket open करेंगे तो दोनों से multiply होगा. 6 9s are 54y minus 6 4s are 24 upon 11 minus 5y is equals to minus 3. Now we'll take the LCM. LCM of 11 and 1 will be 11. 11 ones are 11. So ये numerator same आ जाएगा. 54y minus 24, then minus 11 को 1 से डिवाइड करोगे 11 टाइम्स जाएगा, so 11 multiplied with 5, 55 y is equals to minus 3. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इसको ट्रांसफर करेंगे और इन दोनों को सॉल्व करते हैं. 54 minus 55 gives us 1, that is y. माइनस का आएगा because 55 बड़ा 54 छोटा, then minus 24 is equals to 11 into minus 3. So 11 into minus 3 minus y minus 24 is equals to minus 33. अब minus 24 उससे जाएगा, so minus y is equals to minus 33 plus 24 plus minus minus, so 33 minus 24 9, but minus because 33 बड़ा है, minus से minus cancel, y की वैल्यू आ गई 9. y की वैल्यू इस इक्वेशन में रख के x की वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं. So x is equals to 9 into y, that is 9 minus 4 upon 11. Now 9 9s are 81. So 81 minus 4 upon 11. 81 minus 1, 80 minus 3, 77. So 77 upon 11 gives us 7. So value of x is 7 and value of y is 9. And a question is asking to find the fraction. So fraction क्या होता है? X upon y, that is 7 upon 9. This is the required answer. I hope this is clear. Now let's solve its next part. So our sixth part is 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Means Jacob and his son, their ages are given. 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So हम इनकी present ages find करनी है. So let's suppose that only let present age of Jacob be x and of his son be y. Okay, now they're saying 5 years hence. So 5 years hence, Jacob's age will be x plus 5 and his son age will be y plus 5. Now they are giving a relationship. The age of Jacob, that is age of Jacob x plus 5 will be 3 times that of his son, that is y plus 5. So from here we'll get our first equation. So x plus 5 is equals to 3 into y, 3y plus 3 into 5, 15. So x is equals to 3y plus 15 minus 5. So x is equals to 3y plus 15 minus 5, 10. So value of x, now we'll make second equation and put this value. Next they are saying 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, first of all we'll calculate their age. So 5 years ago, Jacob's age will be x minus 5 and his son age will be y minus 5. Is that clear? Now next we will make the equation. They're saying Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. So from here we'll make the equation and then we'll put this value of x and find the value of x and y. So x minus 5 is equals to 7y minus 7 5s are 35. So x is equals to 7y minus 35. Now we'll transfer this minus 5. It will go in plus. So plus 5. Now in place of x we'll write 3y plus 10. So 3y plus 10. We'll transfer this 7y to left hand side. Minus 7y is equals to plus minus minus. So minus 30. Now 3y and 7y both are having same variable, plus minus minus. So minus 4y is equals to minus 30. Now we'll transfer this 10. It will go in minus, so minus 10. Now we are having minus 4y is equals to minus minus plus 30 minus 10 40, but minus 40. Now this minus and minus will be cancelled out. This 4 is in multiplication, it will go in division. So 40 divided by 4 gives us 10. So value of y is 10, which we'll put here and get the value of x. So our equation is x is equals to 3y plus 10. Value of y is 10. So 3 into 10 plus 10. 3 into 10, 30. 30 plus 10 gives us 40. So value of x is 40. So this only a question is asking what are their present ages. So present age of Jacob is 40 and that of his son is 10 years. I hope this question is clear to you. So here our exercise is completed. Thanks for watching.